Pastor Michael here with a quick how-to video so that you can sign up to be a part of our church Zoom video conference meetings starting tomorrow, Sunday morning at 9:30 a.m. and tomorrow, Sunday evening at 6 p.m. We're going to try it in the morning, we're going to try it in the evening. In case you're wondering how to sign up and be a part of that, it's relatively simple, and I want to show you right here and right now how you can do it. All you have to do is have a computer with a camera, microphone, and the internet, or a cell phone will also do the trick, and visit our church website, which is himmetnaz.com, not org, himmetnaz.com. You can put it into Google, you can type it straight into the URL bar, and this should come up for you. Our church website has a link to our YouTube channel where I'm posting some content and videos that you can access whenever you'd like to, including a recorded form of our Sunday service. But you can click here to access services online right from the web page. Scroll down a little bit on this page and you will see Zoom meetings, and basically this explains that this will be a live video conference and you will be automatically invited to download the program on your device if you haven't already. But all you have to do is click Join Meeting right here. Now, here's where you should be warned. If you don't already have the Zoom software, your computer is going to invite you to download the software, or your smartphone is going to invite you to download the app. Just go ahead and follow the instructions and you will be able to download this software, this app. It's not dangerous. I have it on all my devices and it actually runs very smoothly on them. So once you follow the instructions to download it on your app, if it didn't work the first time, just go back to the website and try it again. Click on Join Meeting, and once you have the software, it'll bring the program right up and you should be able to jump right into the meeting without having to do anything else. If you run into any problems or questions, please respond with a comment right here on this page, and we'll get right on trying to make this as accessible as possible for as many of our people as possible moving forward. Thank you.